Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another subscription box unboxing kind of video. I have already done a lot of unboxing videos in the past. If you have not checked that out, I will leave the links in the description. I unboxed a GLAMEGO box in the month of February, and I'm going to do another one today. This is April's GLAMEGO subscription box. This is one of the best affordable subscription box out there because of the price and everything. I will show you what are the products that you will get in the month of April. If you're curious to know what I got in this box, please keep on watching. Before we move on, please subscribe to my channel. You can click on the red subscription box down below, and also there is a little bell icon. If you hit that, then you will get to know whenever I put up a new video, so do that as well. Basically, they come up with a theme every month. In the month of February, I unboxed a last name theme, I think, and then this time it is a summer theme. This time I just really love the packaging because it's so cute. It's like bright yellow, and then there's pink popsicle print and all of this. It's very summery and very nice. I really like this. Also, you can reuse this box to store your cosmetics or jewelry because it has this flap open. It's so cute actually. So first thing I see over here is a card. This is a card wherein they have mentioned all the products that are there inside the box and the prices of it. The first thing I see over here is My Island Kiss Lip Tint. It retails for rupees 4.99. This product has been selected for Eminent Vogue Beauty Awards 2008. They say that it leaves your lips moisture with a lovely tint. It has a bunny pink tint. Sounds really exciting. Also, if you want to know review, I always review such small products on Instagram. I put up a story with mini reviews. If you're not following me on Instagram, please go follow me on my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle in the description as well. The next product I see over here is Tijori Anti-Tan Face Pack. This retails for rupees 525 rupees. This removes the tan with its perfect age-old formulation. So anti-tan products are something that is really important during summer. I have been looking for a product that helps me remove tan because my hands are really tan. I would love to try out this product. Moving on to the third product, this is a NELF USA Compact Powder. This is a compact with SPF. Will protect your skin from harmful rays. So this is how it looks actually. There is a mirror here, and this comes in 3 different shades. I believe you can pick your shade while ordering for this box. This retails for rupees 350. Also has a mirror, so it's really useful to carry around. And the fourth product is Vedic Line Gold Facial. This retails for rupees 350. This is a perfect Ayurvedic therapy to brighten your skin and protect from sun rays. So that is what it says. I have never tried any gold facial or anything before. So I'm gonna use this and I will let you guys know what I think about this. It says it gives luster and glow to skin. This is enriched with benefits of gold saffron. This keeps your skin pure and healthy. I'm gonna definitely try this one. The last product that is a summer treat for this month. The last product is this is a mask actually. This is a natural bath and body. This is a sea clay clarifying face mask. That's what it says. It retails for rupees 150. This is a sample size, I guess. The cool thing about this is the mask is in turquoise blue color. This is really exciting. This is something that I'm really looking forward to using it. Those are all the 5 products that are there in this box. Now this whole box retails just for rupees 2.99. If you subscribe for 1 year, you'll get it for 2.99. So that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!